In the centenary year of women's partial suffrage, I'd like to pay tribute to inspiring women from my constituency in the Vale of Glamorgan, starting with 19-year-old Hannah Tuck from Barry. The youngest ever railway chaplain, Hannah's been appointed to this role, covering the railway network in Wales and the Marches. I already knew Hannah before she was appointed to this role as a leading member of the Vale Youth Forum and a young carer. I met her before Christmas at the Mind in the Vale Cafe and Gallery on Barry Town Station to congratulate her on her new role and clarify what her post entails. Hannah said that the job mainly involves travelling across the rail network, getting to know staff and passengers, and her previous volunteer work for St John's Ambulance for 8 years has been a very helpful experience in preparing for her new responsibilities. In her new role, Hannah has already supported 2 train drivers who witnessed people taking their own lives and has helped ticket staff who have been abused by passengers. Hannah was appointed by a Christian charity, but she says faith is not the focus of her work. She says, obviously we chaplains all have our faith, but what's important is that we're supporting people who need it. What an inspiring young woman of Barry and of Wales. Yeah. Yeah.